Yes, we will go for the next sum now. I'm going to quickly read out this. It looks like a very big question. I'll go through, but I'll explain the question through the diagram. An engineer designs a satellite dish. Try to understand quickly. An engineer designs a satellite dish with a parabolic cross section. So an engineer is designing a dish which is like a parabola. The dish is 5 meter wide at the opening. At the opening of the dish, the width is 5 meter and the focus is placed 1.2 meter from the vertex. So from the vertex at a distance of 1.2 meter, the focus is placed. We need to answer two questions. First one is position a coordinate system with the origin at the vertex. What they are telling, take origin at the vertex and x-axis on the parabola's axis of symmetry. Find the equation of the parabola. So first question is find the equation of the parabola. What is the condition? Vertex should be at origin. X-axis should be the axis of symmetry, which means the parabola should be open rightward. That is the meaning. Or even it may be a leftward. Again I repeat, position the coordinate system with the origin at vertex. Vertex should be at origin, that is vertex is 0, 0, and the x-axis should be the axis of symmetry. Find the equation of the parabola. That is the first question. Second question, find the depth of the satellite dish at the vertex. So what is the height of the dish at the vertex? From vertex, what is the height? That is the second question. So what you understood, an engineer designs a satellite dish which is like a parabola. The width is 5 meter and the focus is 1.2 meter away from the vertex. We need to find the equation of the parabolic dish. Second one, we need to find the height of the satellite dish at the vertex. Okay, we will see the answer now. Now if you see this diagram, you will understand that. You just imagine that this is the dish. Why this is, we have drawing the diagram as a parabola open rightwards, because it is given. Take vertex as 0, 0, and the axis should be the x-axis. So diagram automatically will become parabola open rightwards. What are the things that they have given? At the opening, the width is 5. So this is the opening of the dish. So width is 5 means we have splitted that as 2.5 and 2.5. The total width is 5. So we have splitted that as 2.5 and 2.5. So we can easily mark the point A. What is the point A? From V to B, we don't know the length, right? From V to B, we don't know the distance. So we have taken that as x, comma. Y coordinate easily we can find out, because from this to this, the length is 2.5. So y value is 2.5. We able to understand this? Again I repeat, vertex is taken as 0, 0. So this is considered to be the dish where this opening is here. Opening width is 5 meter, it is given in the question. So that is splitted as 2.5 and 2.5. Since we know y value, we don't know x value, the point A is marked as x value we don't know, so x comma y value we know 2.5. So it is the point is marked. And it is also given the focus is placed from 1.2 meter away from the vertex. So the distance between vertex and focus is given in the question, 1.2 meter. From vertex to focus, the distance is 1.2 meter. We know very well in a parabola, the distance between vertex and focus is denoted as a, small a. Again I repeat, in the question it is given, the focus is placed at a distance of 1.2 meter from the vertex. The meaning is V and F, the distance is 1.2 meter. We know vertex to focus in a parabola, the distance is denoted as A. So answer, we are starting like this, given Vf equal to 1.2 meter, that is this distance. This distance, the formula is A. So A is equal to 1.2 meter. So we are going for the first question. What is the first question asked? Equation of the dish. The dish is in the form of parabola. So equation of the parabola is, since the parabola is open rightward and the vertex is 0, 0, the equation is this. What? Y square is equal to 4ax is the equation of parabola which is open rightwards. out of which we know a value now 1.2 meter. Substitute a value here, that is 4ax. 4 into 1.2 is 4.8x. So we got the first subdivision's answer here. This is nothing but what? Equation of the dish. Second one, to find VB, depth. Depth of the dish means this distance from V to B. This is the height of the dish. This is nothing but width, because this is the opening. What is the height of the dish from V to V or from V to B? That is what is written. We need to find height, VB, depth. For that, we are using this point. The point A lies on the parabola, right? So that is what I am writing. The point A lies on the parabola. So this point can be substituted in the parabolic equation. How to substitute? In place of x, we will just substitute x. In place of y, we will put 2.5. So this is the equation. So first equation becomes, in place of y, we are writing 2.5 square equal to 4.8x. Simplifying this, 2.5 whole square, 6.25. 4.8 comes to division. Multiply and divide by 100. Just put into 100 and into 100. What we are doing? Into 100. Here also into 100. So that we will get 625 by 480. Again cancelling in 5 table. 125 by 96. Dividing these two, see the division. The answer is 1.3. So x is equal to 1.3. What is x actually? From V to B, that is taken as x. From V to B is taken as x, which is nothing but height of the satellite dish. So since x is 1.3, the height of the satellite dish is 1.3 meter. So again, problem is very simple. Just we need to draw the diagram properly and mark the measurements correctly. This is 1.2 meter and we should be able to mark this point. Why it is x? We don't know. V to B, because this is origin. X value means we will see from origin to that point how much is the distance. Since we don't know, we have written as x. Y value, from the origin, you just keep this point in y axis and you will measure. The same measurement will come here, 2.5. So y value is 2.5. By substituting that, we are finding x value is 1.3. X means V to B, which is nothing but depth, height of the dish is 1.3 meter. So I think you will understand this also. We will go for the next problem.